e que não venha malalako.
Alright, so hello guys, so it's your boy Roman here again with another video, and today with me I have Theo. Alright, so Theo is one of my students and a friend of mine, so he's relative. So for today, what we'll be doing is we'll be talking about accents to find the sexiest accents in the world. Which accent do you think is the sexiest in the world? Français. Because French is the language of love. So today we'll see just how sexy French is as well as other languages. See in a few. The rule is this: you can only vote once. Alright, so you need to choose the language that sounds the best or the most sexiest. You can't be biased with French. You can't be biased. It has to be honest, alright? So what I'll do is I'll play the languages, and there it is, or number 1, 2, 3, 4. So the one you really like, just note it. And you aren't seeing the persons because that would make you biased if you see.
Hello, my name is Da. I'm from Laos.
Hi, I'm Natalie and I'm from the US.
Hello, I am Theo. I'm from France.
Hello, my name is Fedwa and I'm from Morocco.
Hi, my name is Natalia Lagos. I am from Colombia.
Hello, I'm Peter from Serbia.
My name is Orlando Green and I'm from Kingston, Jamaica.
Hello, my name is Timerlan. I'm from Kyrgyzstan.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Algeria.
Hello, my name is Anjian and I'm from Madagascar.
Hello, I'm Flori Kousma. I come from Congo Brazzaville.
Hello, my name is Tufik. I'm from Algeria.
Ты самая красивая душа, которую я встречал, и Бог создал тебя именно для меня. Не, Бог создал тебя идеально и только для меня. Ты не хочешь сегодня со мной куда-нибудь сходить?
أنت أجمل روح في العالم. ربي خلقك باغفي وغير ليا. واش تقبل تكون حبيبة ديالي؟
تخميني ذا روحي ربي يخلقك نص الصفة العالي. أتقبل ذا تلين دان سيفيل؟
Ti si najlepša duša na ovom svijetu. Bog te je napravio savršeno i samo za mene. Hoćeš li da budeš moja beba?
You are the most beautiful soul in the world, you know. God make you perfect just for me. And I feel like I'm a girl.
Am koa e non tsara fa nanjindry tantany, dia amiko koa nataon'Andriamanitra tonga lafatra ianao e que ianao venio malalako.
Siko nalingoloba, oza mwasi kitoko koleka basi nyonso ya mokili. Nzambe akela yo mponanga, eske okozala bolingo nanga?
คุณรู้ไหมว่าคุณน่ารักมากเลยรู้ไหมมากเสียจนผมไม่อยากเสียคุณไปเป็นแฟนกับผมนะ
Tu es la plus belle âme du monde. Veux-tu être mon bébé?
أنت أجمل روح في هذا العالم. الرب خلقك لي في أجمل صورة. هل تقبل أن تكون حبيبي؟
You're the most beautiful soul in the world. God made you perfect and just for me. Will you be my baby?
เจ้าเป็นคนน่ารักใจดีสวรรค์สร้างเจ้ามาให้คู่กับข่อยเฮาเป็นแฟนกันเนาะ
Eres el alma más bonita del mundo. Eres perfecto para mí. ¿Quieres ser mi novio?
Alright guys, so thank you so much. If you really liked that video, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Right, if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and share. And which one of the languages was your favorite? And just before I go guys, why I'm doing this video is that personally for me, I think it's always good to learn a foreign language because it helps you. And what helps me to choose a foreign language is sometimes the sound. How it sounds, how attractive it is, and also how used it will be. So what influences you when you choose a foreign language? And again, don't forget to leave in the comments below which language you think was the sexiest. So Theo, do you want to say anything? In French maybe?
Les filles en France, ils sont mieux qu'autre part.
Bah non.
Si.
Bah non. J'aime bien les filles des tropiques.
Non, moi je préfère les filles d'ici.
Parce que tu n'as pas jamais écouté les filles de là-bas?
Si.
Jamais. Où? No, anyways. Oh no. No, that should be. Anyways, thank you guys. Ciao.